Welcome to the Business Blast podcast. I'm your host, Tyler Wagner. This episode is brought to you by Authors Unite. Authors Unite makes the process of becoming a published best-selling author as simple as sipping your morning cup of coffee. You can learn more about Authors Unite at authorsunite.com. Now, let's jump into the episode. All right, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of the Business Blast podcast. I'm your host, Tyler Wagner. Today, I have Ebru Cetin with us. She is a young professional and entrepreneur, passionate about the implementation of technology to the insurance industry and developing a mobile app and web platform for self-insurance services. So welcome to the show.
Thanks, Taylor. Happy to be here.
Of course. Grateful to have you on. We'll jump right into the first one. The first question I have for you is, what is the best story from your life that has an underlying valuable message?
As a young woman who's passionate about what she's doing, it was hard to become independent in a place where I haven't been supported for education, work, and etc. Due to gender equality in a small town, I think the breaking point for me was to take responsibility for a bright future and study what I want, work where I want, try new things and think differently to achieve my future dreams, fail by my own mistakes, and become what I'm supposed to be. I think this is valuable to spread inspiration, for my own inspiration first also. Yeah.
And what is the most valuable piece of information we should know that's within your expertise or industry?
As I'm working in the insurance industry, which is considered complex by third parties. But for me, it's about taking care of yourself to stay as an independent. Maybe it's easy for me to see my industry like that, as I'm an actuary who sees risks behind everything and take measures. But I think insurance is there for you when no one was there.
And what is your, I agree. And what is your best piece of overall business advice? So not necessarily industry specific.
I think do what you love and love what you do is the best piece of business advice for me.
And if you could give your younger self one piece of advice, what would that be?
Believe in yourself and dream big, because girls with big dreams become women with vision.
Yeah, I like that.
Thanks.
And in your opinion, what is the key to happiness?
Love yourself first and others. Be kind and humble and stay true to yourself, I think.
And what is the best book that you've read, and what was the number one thing you learned from that?
The Little Prince. I think this book is the best book for everyone. I marked that it's only with the heart that one can see rightly. What essentially is invisible to the eye. You may remember this quote from the book.
Yeah.
This is the best first thing that I learned from it.
And is that your favorite quote as well?
Be the change you wish to see in the world, from Mahatma Gandhi, since it reminds me that I need to be filled my heart with hope instead of complying.
Yes, I love it. Thank you so much for coming on. The last question I have for you before we let you go is, where's the best place for people to find you online?
LinkedIn.
Perfect.
I'm available on LinkedIn, and thank you so much for having me on this podcast.
Of course.
The podcast you just heard was published with Anchor. Got something you want to say to the creator of this show? Send them a voice message using the Anchor app, free for iOS and Android.